Everybody, Michael Guberti, social media strategist and co-founder of Guberti Giving. Happy to be with you here today to discuss 6 lessons learned from running Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger ad campaigns that reached over 100,000 unique people and was seen over 1 million times, which is to say that it had 1 million impressions. How can you take strategies to your Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger ad campaigns to make them better, help you reach more potential customers, and optimize your budget? We're going to go over 6 strategies you can use. First being, you can benefit from split testing your ads against each other. So instead of choosing one audience and one image or video to run to that audience, have 6 images or videos, and even a combination like 3 videos and 3 images going to that same group of people, and then take it to the next level and split the test audiences against each other. Maybe this group of interests, if people have these interests, will outperform those interests, but there's only one way to know, which is to run them against each other. And then you'll be able to see on a cost per result basis which one is better over a period of time. So if you have a group that is producing a cost per result of $10 and another group that's producing a cost per result of $20, you can turn off the one that's higher, put the budget from the prior audience into the new one to maximize your effort. Second of 6 strategies here is leveraging messaging platforms, especially with the rise of Messenger, WhatsApp, which is a Facebook-owned messaging platform, and essentially all one-to-one communication apps globally. According to Facebook IQ, have some statistics to share. Notably, 1 in 2 people surveyed globally say messaging has replaced other forms of communication. And if you think about that, texting is very prevalent in a lot of people's lives, and this is an extension of that on different places. Across 8 markets surveyed globally, 80% of adults message daily. So people are conditioned, they're comfortable, and you can reach them where they already are, which are on these messaging platforms. Across Colombia, Germany, Mexico, and the United States, 71% of people surveyed say that they're open to messaging businesses. So they are willing to communicate with you through this. Put yourself in front of them and present an ad that connects to Messenger so that people can start a conversation with you if they're inclined to, and that can have business benefits. 3 of the 6 strategies we're covering here is to optimize your age ranges. So if you see that 25 to 34 is working better than 35 to 44, then you turn off the lower performing age range and you funnel the budget into the higher performing one, which you can see in your audience reporting. So make sure to optimize that so you're reaching exactly to an age the right audience. 4 of 6 strategies, leveraging video ads. Videos overall are an engaging way to communicate a message with somebody and continue to rise in popularity and consumption. So be sure to leverage that in either a direct-to-camera manner like this, or if you prefer, you could go behind slides, whichever one is more comfortable for you and ultimately will prompt you to take action. 5 of 6 strategies, creating lookalike audiences from your recent buyers. So if you have clients, online members, or people you consult with, take their name and email address and phone number if you have it, their contact information, upload it to Facebook, again, of your recent buyers, perhaps those that you have acquired in the last 30 days, but if they have been with you since for years, then use them as well because they've engaged with you in the last 30 days transactionally, at least because of a recurring purchase, unless they did it all in advance, like paying annually. But if they did that, still upload it to Facebook, have them create a lookalike audience, and then Facebook go out and in their best estimation see people who match the psychographic and demographic qualities of your buyers. 6 of 6, the last strategy here to level up your campaigns, use audience insights to find new targeting options based on your Facebook fans. So if you have people who have liked your page, you can go into a section of Facebook ads that's called Audience Insights and say, what are the interests of the people who have liked my page? So then you'll find things like their favorite clothing brand, favorite sports team, and you might get some serious insight into who are my people and what do they like. Then you take those interests and you put them in an audience that you're going to run an ad to. You exclude your Facebook fans from this audience, so you're not paying to reach the people who have already liked your page. And then you see what the results are, because walking it through conceptually, you're reaching people who have the exact interests of people who already like your Facebook page, and they're new prospects because you've excluded your current liking community. So that's the 6 of 6 strategies, but I'll give you a bonus one relative to strategy number 2, which is the messaging component. Get ManyChat.com installed in your Facebook page. It's free to install. If someone ever messages your business page after you've installed it, you could send them a broadcast that is in line, so long as it's in line with Facebook Messenger's promotional policies of not being overly promotional. Then you could send them messages that will appear on the lock screen of their phone. It will leapfrog every app on their phone, so long as they have Messenger on their phone, which in order to engage with your business using that, they probably do, and you can show up right in their notifications over their lock screen and send them messages like Happy Thanksgiving, Happy New Year, seasonal greetings that you would tell anybody if you were walking past them in the street and you knew that person. So those are the 6 turned 7 strategies to optimize your Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger ad campaigns. Insights and strategies sourced from experience ranging with campaigns that have reached over 100,000 unique people in my experience and been seen over 1 million times in 2018. Hope you enjoyed this video. Take action on these strategies. If you want more insights and tactics related to digital marketing, how do you grow your business with it, just go to michaelguberti.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Until I see you again in the next video, dream big, achieve greatness, and unlock your potential today.